Ladies and gentlemen, you're welcome on Viral Things. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, you're welcome on Viral Things. Today we are going to see the cleanest city in the world. You wonder, what is that city? That city is called Kigali. Kigali is the capital city of Rwanda. You wonder, what is Rwanda? Rwanda actually is a country which is in Africa, more specifically in the East Africa. You can see that is its flag. It's located in East Africa. That is Kigali. Now you can see this picture. You see how beautiful it is. It is a country that has grown so many trees. In its capital city, which is Kigali, you can see all the roads are very clean. Very beautiful building. There are dustbins everywhere in Kigali. You are not allowed to throw any trash around the street or at the side of your place. So that is Kigali. And let me be back to that city. It's located to the nation geographical center, just between the hills. It has a series of valleys, ridge joined by steepy slopes. That is Kigali. Kigali has been Rwanda's economic, cultural, and transport hub since it became the capital after the independence from Belgian rule in 1962. In an area controlled by the Kingdom of Rwanda from 17th century and then by the German Empire. The city of Kigali was founded in 1907 when Richard Kant, the colonial resident, chose the site for his headquarters, that is Kigali. After finding out that it is the center of the country, so it was named Kigali, means just the center of the country. Good. Kigali, that is where you can find big business in the country. That is where you can find so many opportunities, the universities, the schools, both national and the international schools. This city called Kigali grew slowly following the decades. It was not initially directly affected by the Rwanda Civil War and the genocide between RPF and the former Rwanda Army Force. That war began in 1990, but during genocide, some of the area were affected. Do you get it? Now in Kigali, you can find the National Genocide Memorial Center at a place called Gisozi. Do you get it? That is Kigali. In Kigali, you can find the international airport. It's called Kigali International Airport, also called Kanombe. You can see big buildings in Kigali, like what we call Convention Center. This building we are seeing here is called Kigali Convention Center. It has its unique shape in the whole Africa. Do you get it? It's very beautiful. It changes the color. When there is a certain ceremony in the country, they use the colors representing that ceremony. Do you get it? Another thing, this Kigali has so many big hotels. 5-star hotels, 4-star hotels, so many international hotels. Like the one I can tell you is the hotel at the convention center. It's called Radisson Blue Hotel. It's one of the 5-star hotel in Kigali. There is another one called Serena Hotel. There are so many hotels in Kigali. Another hotel is like Marriott Hotel. It's one of the big hotels with a very big brand in the world. There are other hotels like Onomo Hotel. Onomo is known in so many countries. And there are so many others like Obumwe Grand Hotel. Good. There are other hotels like Kigali Serena. I've said also Radisson Blue, Hotel de Mille Collines, Gloria Hotel. There are so many hotels. So there are so many that I can mention. I have said another one, like Radisson Blue, I have said it's a big hotel. For sure, believe me, when you reach in Kigali, you will find it's one of the amazing hotels. There is another one called The Nest. The Nest is very good. There are other like the Heaven Restaurant and Boutique Hotel. My God, those are the good hotels. There is Remigo Hotel. It's another big hotel in Kigali. There is another one called Kigali View Hotel and Apartments. Even when you need apartments, it's very easy to find them in Kigali. There is another hotel. It's a new hotel called Sainte Famille. It's a Catholic hotel. As you can see, Sainte Famille, it's like the Holy Family. Sainte Famille Hotel. There is another hotel called Grand Legacy. It's like the Great Legacy Hotel. Man, very good hotel. Hotel Logami, Bonjour Hotel, Ikaze B&B Hotel. Man, Cassie, there are so many like Cassie Apartment, Gracia Apartment, Peponi Living Spaces. Oh my God, there is another one called Parking Hotel by Radisson also. Wow. There is another hotel. It's like a brand in Kigali. It's called Sherando. It's owned by that person, Farmer Rando. It's the red Rando. He died. But it's still one of the best places in Kigali. There is another place called High Ground Villa. Welcome to my place. It's at a place called Kibagabaga. It's also in Kigali. Man, there are so many beautiful places in Kigali. Please, I'm telling you, come there. There is like a Nobleza Hotel, Gloria Hotel, Pili Pili Boutique Hotel, Gal Hotel. My God. There is like Corina K Guest House in Kigali, Serenity Park, the Court Boutique Hotel, Echo Air Apartment Hotel, Keva Guest House, Igitego Hotel, Apartments. Man, let me stop by here. Like the other apartments like Grad's Apartment, Saint Etienne Guest House. Oh my God. Serena Crest Apartment, Shami Luxury Apartment, Gorilla Golf Hotel. Man. Yambi Guest House, so many others. Here you can see like the pub where you go and sit outside with fresh air at a clean place, and then you have your drink or you have what to eat. Still, this is Kigali. Kigali, as I have told you, it's the capital city of Rwanda, and even it makes like one of the provinces of Rwanda, which is the 5th one. It's the smallest one, of course. It has 3 districts. One is called Kicukiro, another one is called Gasabo, another one is called Nyarugenge. So there are 3 districts in Kigali. And those districts are within the governance of Kigali city. And the leader of Kigali city is called the mayor of Kigali city. Even the district are ruled by the mayors. That is why you find the first house. That is why you find the first family home. That is why you find so many government institutions. Kigali is like everything in the whole country called Rwanda. So I may tell you, you are welcome anytime to visit this beautiful place called Kigali. Regardless your religion, regardless where you come from, this country is warm, welcoming country. It has everything that any person can need, from the king to the servant, from the businessman to the religious man. It doesn't matter what you do. Not a bad person, of course, not a killer, not a terrorist. Whatever you do, you're welcome in country called Rwanda, in this cleanest city in the whole world. Believe me, I have said it's the cleanest city in the whole world because it's seen. And there are so many research institutions, statistical institutions that have proven that Kigali is absolutely the nice place to visit, the cleanest place in the world. May God bless you abundantly. You're welcome in Kigali, the capital city of Rwanda, in the heart of Africa.
So, guys, thank you for watching the video. I hope it's very helpful. So please, don't keep this information just with yourself. Share this information to your colleagues. And see you in another video next time. May God bless you abundantly.
Please support this channel by pressing like, subscribe, and the bell. This is a huge support for this channel.